Okay, I'm videotaping you.
Papa is annoying, so he gives me the business. Reading ARS. That's all I want to do. And Pickle.
What is the business?
Business almost means birthday boy.
Birthday boy. So the birthday boy is full of the business, huh?
So, it's called driving in the boy.
Yeah.
It's called driving in the boy. It's called driving in the boy.
Hey, what else did you get?
What else business did I get?
Well, I think that's the only business, huh? There in the box.
There's only one. Is that one it? That a business?
I don't know. Kind of looks like business to me. Hey. Hey.
Business is always my best.
Hey, what's your favorite color?
All the colors.
All of them?
And even red,
Red?
blue, green,
Yeah.
purple, yellow, orange, and black.
What's your favorite movie?
Let's see. All the movies.
Oh, all the movies. You're just not picky, are ya?
Yeah.
I liked Wreck-It Ralph.
The present is all the presents. Yeah. And birthday boy, Pickle.
Ooh.
Fine.
What about Rise of the Guardians?
Why in the Guardians?
Wreck-It Ralph. What about Hop? What about the one about the Easter Bunny?
It's kind of funny, but I don't really like it sometimes.
So what is your favorite thing to do for fun?
Wreck-It Ralph is kind of weird.
Why?
Oh, kind of sad.
Yeah, it was sad because they bullied him, huh?
No, the girl and the car wrecked the car. Business boy.
So what do you do for fun?
I do all the fun stuff.
You do?
Uh-huh.
So you build cars and you climb mountains and...
No, I don't.
You don't? So what do you do?
All I do is just race monster trucks.
You race monster trucks?
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And I build remote control cars.
You build them? You build remote control cars?
No, I
You do, huh? Did you get tools?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Now you don't get in trouble, huh?
Yeah. But what about the other stuff? Like the stuff that Daddy got, and like the thing. But I don't know if. I don't know what hold the squares and you dig them in and they make a little hole, big one.
What's that?
Business.
How was,
Wait. More business.
Here comes Daddy. You know what that means? What does that mean?
It means I'm gonna put the business away and see the video. I wanna see it. No.
Arr! Love you.